Searching for a 2009 Holden Commodore.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.